Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, on the ADA chart, you can see that the market reacted to this support area that we were tracking for this internal wave 4. I really only want to take a look at the shorter time frame in this video. Maybe in the next one we can take a look at the daily chart again. Overall, there was a pullback into a support area for wave 4 as an A, B, C structure. The wave count in wave C is technically even complete, so we have actually a nice 5-wave move down in wave C of 4. Or it could just be the A wave of a larger wave 4, right? That we don't know that yet. That really depends now on the structure of the rally. I'd say it's time to be cautious because Bitcoin is still in the range and we have seen a lot of up and down. And we've also seen how the altcoins have reacted, how sensitive they've been to Bitcoin sell-off. So that's something, you know, to be very much aware of. Bitcoin sell-offs could trigger another altcoin decline. I have to say though that a lot of the altcoins that were very much overbought have triggered oversold readings on the RSI yesterday, here ADA was overbought and bearish divergences printed, right? And then now oversold. So we'll see if the price can get back into the bullish range. We needed to get back above 50 on that RSI on the 4-hour, back into the bullish range, and then oscillate in that bullish area, yeah, as we did here, for example. But this is only the RSI, I mean, it's only one indicator. We certainly only have a 3-wave move up from the low at this stage. So good is that we have a reaction. Good is that the pullback was corrective. So that is a big thing because that's not bearish. Had the move down been in 5 waves, then it would be more clearly bearish. It's not. So it's a 3-wave pullback. Okay, that can always leave the door open for a larger 3-wave decline, but it doesn't look like 5 waves. So if it's a larger 3-wave decline, we might test the lower support area between 64 and 76 cents. 64 cents is for me the key support, the key bullish support. Yeah, anything below that might lead to a break of structure, might lead to a break of the overall bullish thesis. But for now, we're far away from that. We're holding above that level. And it depends on which wave degree is unfolding in terms of wave 4. So if the smaller degree wave 4, we should hold 83 cents and ideally even yesterday's low, to be honest. However, if the larger wave 4 is unfolding, 64 cents is the key pivot between bullish and bearish momentum, between a bullish altcoin season and a bear market, yeah, or probably a much larger decline. Now, don't get me wrong, I said that yesterday a couple of times, people start to panic. I mean, it is what it is. If bullish support breaks, you need to know, right? Then it opens the door to a much larger decline. Now, not necessarily directly, it's not necessarily going to drop like a stone, but in terms of structure. So it might get a rebound first and then go down. But still, that's the key pivot. For now, I still look at higher prices. I actually prefer the yellow scenario, but I'm very mindful that another sell-off in Bitcoin could just trigger the larger wave 4. So it's just to understand 64 cents is still the key risk level. In the very short term, the last key level here is 91 cents. We're holding above it. You could say in the very short term, it's even that last swing low here at 99.6 cents that's relevant, but we just need a little bit more upside momentum to determine that wave 4 has bottomed and not just an A wave. What would be standard resistance for wide wave B? Well, we should add that to the chart, right? It's just an area to watch for resistance for that B wave. Just that a break above it would be the next objective for the bulls. So we have 3 waves up at the moment. It might turn into something like that. And for the bulls, you know, to, let's say, demonstrate their strength, they need to send the price above 127. And if the 5th wave unfolds, then the next upside levels to watch are 142 and 172. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.